Welcome to our presentation on 20 Gen AI projects that can help you get hired. These projects are designed to showcase your skills and make you stand out in the job market. Technical students often struggle with real-time academic support. Our solution is an agentic RAG chatbot that provides personalized learning and query resolution using AI-driven academic support. Women face safety threats in public and private spaces. Our app uses LLMs to assess risks, send alerts, and provide safety tips, ensuring proactive measures and real-time assistance. Traditional detection methods struggle with classifying moving targets. Our solution uses multi-modal RAG to combine text, radar, and visual data for accurate threat classification and real-time alerts. Traffic systems lack real-time visual analysis. Our system uses vision models to analyze and adjust signals, reducing congestion and improving traffic flow with AI-driven insights. Operational management systems need optimization. Our AI-powered system uses multi-modal RAG to process real-time video and sensor data, enhancing situational awareness and decision-making. Accurate electricity demand forecasting is crucial. Our AI-powered system forecasts demand using past consumption, weather data, and grid features, ensuring improved grid stability and optimized energy distribution. Deaf and mute individuals face communication barriers. Our multimodal RAG app helps in learning sign language by converting gestures into text or speech, providing a personalized and interactive experience. Crop diseases reduce yield and are hard to detect. Our system uses vision-based AI models to analyze plant images for early disease detection and integrates real-time data for accurate diagnosis. Our teams face inefficiencies in resume screening and candidate matching. Our LLM-powered HR system automates these tasks, ensuring faster and more accurate hiring decisions. Healthcare providers struggle to analyze patient data effectively. Our multimodal RAG system analyzes medical records and lab data to provide personalized health recommendations and risk assessments. Investors find it hard to analyze stock data. Our AI system automates data analysis and visualization, providing insights to help investors maximize returns and improve decision-making. Students struggle to follow a clear learning path. Our system uses AI agents to track progress and recommend resources, ensuring personalized and adaptive learning experiences. Businesses struggle to analyze customer purchase patterns. Our system uses AI agents to uncover trends and provide actionable insights, improving inventory management and revenue generation. Institutions struggle to track research and patents. Our AI-powered system helps analyze and report data for better decisions, automating tracking and ensuring better investment and management. Existing systems struggle to analyze images with contextual understanding. Our solution uses multi-modal RAG to combine image recognition with conversational AI, providing accurate insights and seamless interaction. Apple farmers struggle to monitor crop health. Our AI system uses drone images and sensor data to detect plant health issues and provide timely alerts, ensuring sustainable farming and improved crop health monitoring. Public transport struggles with delays and inefficiencies. Our system uses AI agents to optimize bus schedules by analyzing real-time traffic and weather data, ensuring smoother travel and improved passenger experience. People struggle to follow a structured learning path. Our AI dashboard recommends learning resources and tracks job trends, helping users make smart career choices and improving skill enhancement and employability. Finding case laws and judgments is hard due to scattered information. Our system uses agentic RAG to organize and fetch relevant cases, providing quick and accurate access to legal information. Managing large crowds makes it difficult to locate missing people. Our multimodal RAG system helps by matching faces from CCTV and drones with a database, enabling real-time alerts and communication for quick recovery. Thank you for watching. Follow Cloud Perceptor to stay updated on the latest in AI and ML. Like, comment, and repost to share this knowledge with others.